Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that redefines luxury, travel, and innovation all at once. We're talking about the 2026 new luxurious Volvo Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends Scandinavian design, cutting-edge performance, and unmatched comfort on the road. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without giving up the feeling of living in a 5-star suite, this new Volvo Motorhome is going to grab your attention immediately. When we first look at the exterior, it's clear that Volvo has gone beyond the traditional motorhome design language. The body is sculpted with smooth aerodynamic lines, bringing a sleek and futuristic profile that not only looks elegant but also contributes to overall efficiency. Unlike bulky RVs that feel like oversized boxes on wheels, this motorhome presents itself as a modern luxury cruiser. The signature Volvo grille sits at the front with a chrome-accented finish, and the LED matrix headlights add an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The exterior paint options feature premium metallic shades, each layered with a protective gloss that enhances both durability and beauty. Even the side mirrors have been redesigned with integrated cameras, replacing traditional blind spots with the full digital view. Moving along the side, we notice the flush, motorized doors and panoramic windows. These large, tinted windows aren't just for natural light, they're thermally insulated to maintain the perfect indoor climate. Volvo has also equipped the roof with smart solar panels that feed energy back into the vehicle, supporting auxiliary functions without constantly relying on external power hookups. The side also features hidden storage compartments with motorized access, perfect for equipment, luggage, or outdoor gear. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome stands tall on custom alloy wheels with adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts according to terrain, making it as smooth on the highway as it is steady on rough countryside roads. At the rear, the design is equally stylish with wrap-around LED taillights and a built-in ladder that blends seamlessly into the design. Volvo has also included a smart tow package and rear cargo module, giving adventurers the freedom to bring along bikes, kayaks, or even a small vehicle trailer without compromising style. Overall, the exterior design is a true example of elegance meeting utility, making this motorhome a rolling piece of art. Performance has always been at the heart of Volvo, and this motorhome shows exactly how advanced the brand has become. Underneath the hood, or rather under the chassis, lies a hybrid powertrain combining a high-output diesel engine with Volvo's latest electric drive system. This dual setup ensures massive torque for towing and climbing, while also giving eco-conscious travelers the ability to cruise silently in electric mode for shorter trips. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome boasts an impressive range of over 900 kilometers on a single tank and charge combination, making it a true long-distance traveler. The driving dynamics are extraordinary for a vehicle of this size. Volvo has integrated its adaptive steering and traction control system, giving the driver a feeling of confidence and control whether navigating through city streets, mountain passes, or open highways. The regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency but also provides smooth deceleration even when carrying heavy loads. Safety, which has always been Volvo's strong suit, is at an entirely new level in this model. Features like 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and even semi-autonomous driving make this motorhome one of the safest and easiest large vehicles to drive. Now let's step briefly into the interior, because while the exterior impresses everyone on the road, the inside is where travelers will spend most of their time. The cabin is designed like a Scandinavian luxury suite, with natural wood finishes, leather upholstery, and minimalist yet warm lighting. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument panel with AI-based assistance, making long journeys stress-free. Behind the cockpit, you'll find a spacious living area with a lounge-style sofa, a smart entertainment system, and a dining table that transforms into extra workspace if needed. The kitchen is fully equipped with induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and hidden storage designed to maximize efficiency. The sleeping quarters offer a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, positioned next to large panoramic windows that give a hotel-like experience wherever you park. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, smart water-saving system, and luxury finishes that rival high-end apartments. Smart climate control maintains perfect temperature across zones, while built-in connectivity allows remote control of everything from lighting to blinds with just a smartphone or voice command. This new Volvo Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It combines the strength of Volvo's engineering, the elegance of modern design, and the comfort of luxury travel into one package that is hard to rival. For those who want to see the world without leaving behind the comforts of home, the 2026 luxurious Volvo Motorhome is the ultimate choice. So that's our in-depth look at this incredible release. If you enjoyed learning about this groundbreaking motorhome, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow travel and auto enthusiasts. The future of luxury travel on wheels is here, and Volvo has just raised the bar.